Imagine being a child with two father figures, one who follows all the rules of society and struggles, and another who breaks those rules and thrives. This was Robert Kiyosaki's life, and his story is about choosing between two very different paths: the path of working for money or making money work for you. Let me take you on this journey. Robert Kiyosaki grew up in Hawaii, lucky to have two strong father figures in his life. One was his poor dad, his biological father. He was a smart man, highly educated, with a secure government job. He believed in the traditional way of life: go to school, study hard, get a good job, and save for the future. The other was his rich dad, his best friend's father. He wasn't highly educated, he didn't even finish high school, but he was a successful businessman. He had a completely different approach to life: focus on building wealth through investments, businesses, and learning how money works. Both men cared deeply about Robert, but their advice couldn't have been more different. Poor Dad's advice. Poor Dad believed in safety and stability. He always told Robert, work hard, get a secure job, and save your money. He thought financial security came from earning a steady paycheck and avoiding risks. But no matter how hard he worked, poor Dad always seemed to struggle with money. Bills, taxes, and expenses drained most of his income. He believed saving was the only way to get ahead, but he never felt truly free financially. Rich Dad's lessons. Rich Dad, on the other hand, had a bold and unconventional approach. He taught Robert lessons like, don't work for money, make money work for you. He explained that most people are stuck in the rat race, trading time for money and never building wealth. Rich Dad showed Robert the difference between assets, which put money in your pocket, like rental properties, investments, or businesses; liabilities, which take money out of your pocket, like car loans, credit card debt, or even a house if it doesn't generate income. The turning point. One day, Robert asked Rich Dad how to become rich. Instead of giving him a simple answer, Rich Dad made him work at one of his small businesses, not for money, but for experience. At first, Robert was confused. Why work for free? Rich Dad explained, most people are trapped in the mindset of working hard for a paycheck. They think more money will solve their problems, but it doesn't. The key to wealth isn't earning more. It's learning how to manage and grow what you have. Through this experience, Robert realized that building assets was the secret to escaping the rat race. A tale of two outcomes. As Robert grew older, he saw how his two fathers' choices played out. Poor Dad followed the traditional path. He worked hard his whole life, but financial stress followed him everywhere. Even though he earned a good salary, he always struggled to save and build wealth. Rich Dad, on the other hand, used his understanding of money to create passive income. By investing in businesses, real estate, and other opportunities, he achieved financial freedom and retired young. Robert chose to follow Rich Dad's example. The key lessons you can learn: build assets, not liabilities. Assets put money in your pocket even when you're not working. Focus on investments like real estate, stocks, or starting a business. 2. Learn to manage money. Schools don't teach financial literacy, but it's one of the most important skills. Learn about cash flow, investing, and taxes to grow your wealth. 3. Don't fear failure. Rich Dad taught Robert that failure is part of success. Most people fear losing money, but failure is how we learn and grow. 4. Work to learn, not just to earn. Early in your career, focus on gaining valuable skills, not just a paycheck. Learn about sales, marketing, investing, or leadership, skills that will help you build wealth in the future. 5. Think like the wealthy. Rich Dad always said, the poor and middle class work for money. The rich have money work for them. It's about changing your mindset and understanding how wealth is created. A question for you. This story is about choosing a path. Will you take the traditional route, working hard, saving, and hoping for security? Or will you take the Rich Dad approach, learning to build assets, take risks, and grow your financial freedom? Robert's story is a powerful reminder that wealth isn't about how much you earn. It's about what you do with what you have. It's about thinking differently, taking control, and building a future where money works for you. If this story inspired you, please hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll be sharing more life-changing stories and lessons to help you on your journey to success. Let's grow together.